Check out this game changer for wooden handle manufacturing. This custom-built automated machine turns raw square wood stock into polished, ready-to-use wooden handles, all in one hands-off process. Let's walk through the seamless workflow. Profiling first. A precision jig clamps the square wood stock securely. The machine then shapes it into the handle's curved, finished outline with perfect accuracy. Grooving next. It mills the exact groove for fitting or design into the shaped blank. No manual alignment, no inconsistencies. Splitting. The handle blank is cleanly cut into two identical pieces, doubling output in a single step. Drilling. Finally, it bores the precise mounting holes. Every hole is perfectly placed, every time. The secret. Those jigs, they grip the workpiece tightly through every stage. Wiping out human error and locking in 100% consistency, this line slashes labor costs dramatically. What used to need multiple workers now runs on autopilot. And swap out the jigs, and it can produce all kinds of handle shapes too. From raw square stock to install-ready handles, fast, precise, and totally adaptable. This is wooden handle production, reimagined. Thank you for your watch. Learn more, please contact me.